In this video, we're going to explore how to display a list of items in React, what are keys and why they matter, how to build forms and handle user input using state. Make sure your app is running. All right, open Visual Studio Code. Go to your SRC folder and create a new file, itemlist.js. Let's start by rendering a simple list. Write this inside itemlist.js. Import React from React. Function itemList. Const items equals HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. Return div h2 technologies items.map item index item div. Export default item list. Here's what's happening. We have an array called items. We use .map to loop through the array and render li elements. Each item gets a unique key. In this case, we're using the index. Keys help React track and update list items efficiently. Always try to use a unique ID as a key if you have one, but index is okay for simple lists. Now, open app.js. Import this component, JSX import item list from -item list, and add it inside the return. JSX item list, save it. Head to the browser. You'll see a list of technologies appear. Awesome. Now let's learn how to handle user input. Create a new file, userform.js. Here's a simple input form. Import React, useState from React. Function userform, const username set username equals useState. Function handle change event set username event.target.value. Function handle submit event, event.prevent default. Alert welcome username, set username. Return form on submit equal handles label. Enter your name, input type will text value username, on change equal handle change. Button type submit, submit button in form. Export default user form. Let's break it down. We're using useState to store the input. The input value is controlled by React. This is called a controlled component. On every keystroke, we update the state. On form submit, we show an alert with the entered name and reset the input. Now back in app.js, import this, JSX import userform from /userform, and include it. JSX userform, save the file. In your browser, type your name and hit submit. Boom, the alert shows your name and the field resets. That's controlled input in action. And that's a wrap for this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Code with Me.